Microsoft wants enterprise customers paying top dollar to boost corporate productivity with Copilot. But legally, they classify that exact same tool very differently. Looking at their terms of use, updated in October 2025, Microsoft explicitly states, Copilot is for entertainment purposes only. The document goes on to warn that the tool can make mistakes, might not work as intended, and should not be relied on for important advice. Users proceed at their own risk. This language creates a hard shield for the tech giant. If an AI error tanks a quarterly report or hallucinates a legal citation, the liability falls squarely on the human who trusted the output. Microsoft told the press this is just legacy language. They claim the product has evolved and promise a future update to better reflect how Copilot is actually used today. This matrix shows the legal posture across the tech sector. Dodging liability is the industry baseline. OpenAI cautions users against treating output as a sole service of truth or factual information, and xAI tells users not to rely on their model as the truth. Every major player builds this exact legal off-ramp. Hallucinations remain an unsolved engineering problem, so the developers rely on terms of service to manage the fallout. To operate safely in this environment, professionals must adopt a workflow framework called defensive AI usage. The first rule is the intern framework. Treat the model like an eager intern trying to guess the right answer, rather than an infallible expert. Every deliverable requires a senior review. You cannot publish, send, or execute any AI-generated work without checking the underlying logic. This leads to the second rule, zero trust fact-checking. The companies have already warned you the product may not work as intended, so every factual claim requires a secondary source. Treating the AI like a junior employee shifts the dynamic. The human operator goes from a passive consumer of information into an active, accountable editor. This diagram illustrates how raw data should be blocked until verified. Legal citations, medical data, and quantitative financial metrics should never be completely outsourced to an AI search without independent validation. The safest way to utilize these tools is the third rule, pivoting to brainstorming. By actively leaning into Microsoft's entertainment categorization, you extract value without risking exposure. AI thrives in low-stakes environments. Use it to generate rough ideas, outline structural concepts, and break through writer's block. The defensive AI framework comes down to 3 steps. Treat the model as an intern, apply zero-trust verification, and restrict usage to low-stakes drafting. Until AI developers are legally willing to guarantee the factual accuracy of their own tools, the ultimate burden of truth rests entirely on you.